The Mere Exposure Effect is a workshop that's designed for media creatives to really think critically about what they're putting into the world and how their biases might be showing up in their work.
The Mere Exposure Effect says that the more often people are exposed to a message, the more familiar and normalized it becomes.
Dominant culture has said, you have to be this way and this way and this way. We're trying to normalize other experiences. We want to normalize skin tone. We want to normalize weight. We want to normalize the full spectrum of humanity.
I thought about my ideas of people that look like me. When I thought growing up, like 11, 12 years old, how am I going to be successful as an adult? What do I need to do? I wanted to be a football player, and I don't even like football.
That's why it's different. It's different because it's for everyone. It's different because it's not philosophy, it's science.
We utilized the Responsible Media Group last year to do the Mere Exposure Effect workshop with a group of people from our industry and found it incredibly helpful. In fact, everybody on the call afterwards sort of followed up with me about things that we could do, things that we aren't doing, and also the things that we learned on it.
You're not in Kansas anymore with this one, everybody. This is something that is very unique, and every company and client that we have presented to date comes out of this literally transformed.
Once you go down that rabbit hole, you can't unsee it.